How to improve your credit today. Credit, what is it? Firstly, we need to truly understand credit. Credit gives you the ability to obtain goods or services typically without making an upfront payment. There is an agreement to pay the creditor later. This concept goes back to the dawn of time, but a few years back, the bureaus organized an approach to have credit attached to your social security number to determine your financial credibility. Why is it important? Your credit is basically a financial track record. The majority of things we need to live can be secured with credit and be reported back to your credit bureaus. Example, cars, homes, education, phone bills, etc. When you are keeping these things organized in your life, you receive many benefits and you have the opportunity to go into the realm of leveraging credit, which is the next step to financial success. Now, there are many ways to improve your credit, but I will list a few different ways to improve your credit today. 1. Credit monitoring. Credit monitoring tracks your credit history, typically from the beginning of your credit profile to now. It gives you the opportunity to see how much you owe and who you owe, how much available credit you have, the payments you've made on time or missed, any mistakes or delinquencies on your report. There are many things you can see on your credit monitoring platform. And there are free platforms like Credit Karma or the free trial for Experian, which gives you a pretty good look into your credit, but since it is free, they do not update your report within 24 hours. 30 to 45 days is the next cycle, and at times they do not report 100% accurate information. Your credit monitoring can also give you advice on how to improve your credit. We have the best tools to track your credit or monitor your credit below. 2. Know how to read a credit report. You can purchase a free annual credit report from all three bureaus at freeannualcreditreport.com. Now, you need to know what you are reading, what you are looking at, and what you want to get done. In order to figure this out, I can say that having a mix of credit paid on time, with lower balances on revolving credit typically puts you in the golden ratio. 3. Pay down your high balance credit cards. Revolving credit is the most attractive credit product there is. But having a high utilization/high balance can impact your credit to 30%. So, use your credit cards or revolving credit wisely. We advise keeping the balance under 30% of the limit and maintaining that discipline. If you are a business owner or an inspiring business owner who utilizes or wants to leverage their credit to build their business, schedule a consultation below. We have access to the best lenders in the marketplace. Take care.